I'm Douglas Crockford. I'm an American programmer. Today at the conference, I'll be talking about what I think will be the next phase in programming languages. And so I hope to give a message of optimism that our languages are going to get better. JavaScript is a very important language. It was rushed to market, and so it is very buggy and misfeatured. But it has some of the best ideas in the history of computer science baked into it, which is great. Unfortunately, over the years, more features have been added in. Some of them are unnecessary. Some of them, I think, are actually destructive, making it harder to write quality software. So I'm a little worried about JavaScript's future. The best feature I put into JSON was that it does not have a version number. It is always what it is. It cannot be changed without breaking everything. So as a consequence, it is remarkably stable. It provides just enough of what people need and nothing extra. And because it can't change, it will always work. So our software stacks have gotten very deep and very complex, but there is one layer which will never break, never be obsolete, never need to be upgraded. And that's the JSON layer. I'm a strong believer in simplicity. I think simplicity makes it easier to reason about complicated things. And when we make our systems more complicated, it makes it harder to reason about them, to do things correctly, to be productive, to make things that work. So much of what we do today is incremental. We can add features to things. But because of the way standards and compatibility work, we cannot remove features from things. So as a consequence, we have always increasing complexity. And that's problematic because what we really need is simplicity. And the only way you can achieve that is from time to time starting over. AI has suddenly become a scary thing. A lot of people are concerned that their occupations are about to disappear, and for many people that might be true. For programmers, it's not clear how this plays out. AI is able to do some incredibly impressive, magical things, but it also does wildly stupid, ridiculous things, and it can't tell the difference. And the deal with software is it has to be perfect. If software is not perfect, the computer can misbehave and bad things happen. And given the current state of AI, perfection is not an option. So there's still going to be a role of programmers. I don't know if it's just to act as censors of the AI or if we still have a creative role. I can't predict where this goes.